The Nokia Lumia 200 represents a bold revival of the iconic Lumia legacy, blending futuristic innovation with uncompromising flagship power. At the heart of the device is a stunning 144Hz QHD Plus OLED display, delivering ultra-smooth scrolling, razor-sharp detail, deep blacks, and vibrant color accuracy that make everything from competitive gaming to cinematic streaming feel incredibly immersive. Whether you're browsing, editing content, or playing high frame rate games, the fluid refresh rate ensures a seamless visual experience. Powering this next-generation device is the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, engineered for extreme performance, advanced AI capabilities, and lightning-fast responsiveness. This chipset handles intensive multitasking, high-end gaming, and demanding creative apps with ease while maintaining excellent power efficiency and ultra-fast 5G connectivity. Photography on the Lumia 200 reaches extraordinary levels with a groundbreaking 400MP main camera, capable of capturing unmatched detail, enhanced dynamic range, and professional-grade clarity in both photos and 8K video recording. Advanced computational photography and AI optimization ensure stunning low-light performance and crisp, lifelike colors in every shot. Supporting all this high-end hardware is a massive 9,500 mAh battery, designed to deliver multi-day usage on a single charge, making it ideal for power users who stream, game, and create content throughout the day. Combined with premium build quality, generous RAM and storage options, and a refined modern software experience, the Nokia Lumia 200 stands as a true powerhouse smartphone that merges nostalgia with cutting-edge technology.